Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Venkat Bhaskar. Hope already you are aware, right? So today onwards, we are going to start a new batch, okay, daily at same time of 8 o'clock, okay, from today onwards, React JS online training, okay. If anyone want to become UI developer, okay, completely if you want to become a full stack developer means UI developer plus backend developer, then we can call as a full stack developer. So nowadays, if you have a more experience, like 4 plus or 5 plus experience we have, people are usually expecting a UI development as well. They will ask you either React JS or Angular JS, they will ask you. Okay. Now we are teaching you as part of React JS, one major project we are choosing, that is e-commerce application we are choosing. Like if you take a Flipkart or Amazon, as a user, what kind of functionalities you can perform? As a admin, what kind of functionalities you can perform? Real-time Razro payment gateway. How this kind of architecture will be there? We will be going to discuss this activity here, guys, as part of the major project we are going to teach you here. Okay, so any experience required means not required. HTML and CSS basics are sufficient. Anyway, as part of my React JS training, like we are going to discuss HTML and couple of CSS also. So no worries on that. You can, even though if you don't have any UI exposure, that's okay. Easily you can attend this course as well. Okay, it will be course duration approximately we given 30 to 35 days. It may extend, or within that time also we can complete as well. Okay, so sessions will be Monday to Saturday, and backup video you will get a lifetime video access, right? If you want to enroll in this course, like any other information for enrollment, you can reach out to this number, like a 780 already you know, right? WhatsApp number, guys, just 1 minute. Okay, now this is our contact number. Now if you are not yet join our YouTube channel, so this is our YouTube channel and this is our Telegram group, guys. Just you can, lot of videos are available. That is about a basic information about in this course, guys. Okay, now so yes, part of in this course, let me show you complete modules. It's completely live sessions, guys, live interactive sessions because of the UI. So UI is not that much easy, but I will make it very simple for development of learning. A lot of people think like a React JS or Angular JS is a difficult, we cannot learn like that. Lot of people are will think, but not required, guys. Now we can make it very simple. How we can develop complete end-to-end e-commerce application? We are going to discuss as well, guys. Okay, now what kind of modules we are covering means JavaScript ES6 features, whichever React JS is popular because of these features. As part of the React JS training, we are going to discuss how you can write your HTML tags, CSS tags, and Bootstrap. Without Bootstrap, learning React JS is nothing, guys. React JS is easy, but Bootstrap is very important to design your website here. Okay, we have a material UI, Bootstrap, lot of frameworks we have, CSS frameworks we have. So very recommended. Even as part of my training, I will taken care about the Bootstrap as well, and as part of the React JS. This is kind of a front end development. Backend who already done in my Java course. Okay, even though if you're not done, how to run application, I will explain you about the microservices integration here. To develop a e-commerce based application, usually number of microservices are involved here. Okay, and a Razropay integration, like a payment Razropay website we have already, everyone, right? It's a payment gateway, and database we are using as a MySQL here. These overall, these 6 modules we have overall perspective. Okay, now I will simply demonstrate you the project here, and then we'll discuss about what modules we have. Now, if you visit a e-commerce application, now this is the application we are going to develop as part of our training, guys. So in this training, have a look here. Now, hope if you know already microservices development, in the backend, lot of microservices are running here. Just for your information, I'm showing you here, guys. User service, product service, a cart, order, payment, shipping, and a Urek, or some couple of services. As a UI developer, you no need to worry about which services are running. You need the endpoints here. We need to think like a front-end developer now to integrate anything here. If you log into any website, let me log into the flipkart.com. What kind of operations we can perform here? Yes, lot of functionalities are involved. Just on the high level, have a look here. Now what you can do, you can able to search the product here, right? As a user, what max you can do, you can able to search the product. Now suppose you are a logout, just I log out here. Now if you want to purchase a product means, definitely sign up is the mandatory option we have. Sign up is the mandatory here. Once you create a account, that means maybe a few people they will ask email id, username, password and everything, but this guy is using just a mobile number. If you are a existing user, just you need to the login here. Okay, just let me log in with some number, guys. Just a minute. After login, what kind of functionalities, just have a observe, guys. Okay, now I logged in here. See, Bhaskar is the name is printing. If you go to my profile, you can able to see the my profile information, and you can log out. Lot of other things also we have. If you go to my profile, if you want, now you can change the password as well. Somewhere it will be there. Manage addresses. I don't know where it is there. Okay, that's okay. It's a mobile number login, right? That's okay here. Now see, we have a cart icon we have. Now you can able to search the product. Okay, and you can visit the product information, and you can click add to cart. It is going to the cart page, and here just I want to remove the some cart items I don't want, and you can increase the quantity. Okay, you can decrease the quantity, like you can able to perform couple of things in this website here, right? Now remove, just I'm removing the products. Already you know this kind of functionalities very well. Now you want to just, I will let me keep it to here. Okay, remove, let me remove this one. Mm, Lot of cart items I added in the application, so just I am removing here. Now some price 5110, your product title and your image name, something displaying. When you click a place an order, and here you need to choose the delivery address. Maybe let me choose delivery address and continue. Now what will happen, it is going to the payment page. When you click on a net banking, what will happen, when you click on this button as a payment, okay, it will visit HDFC net banking here. Real time banking it will be open. Once your payment is success, directly it will navigating to your orders page. Your order is success or not, you can able to see in the cart page here. Now here you can able to see order status as a like a on the way, delivered, cancel, refund, like some kind of statuses you can able to see. As a user, these kind of functionalities you can do in the e-commerce application. Same pattern, even we are going to implement the same approach here. Now, you see, this is our application. We are still enhancing in lot of things as well. As part of our development, we will do completely. Don't worry on that one. Now, like you are a new user, you are a existing user. If you click as a register button, now you need to sign up like your first name, last name, email, username, password, mobile number. At the time of registration, I am providing the permissions, role-based access control through JWT we are using internally, user or admin. If you take as a admin, you are a admin user. If it is a user, you are as a normal user purpose here. Okay. Now, once you create a user, you already have an account. Just you can log in here. Okay. I already have a account with a Java Express admin. Let me log into here. Let me log into here. Just I logged in user. Login successful. Now it is redirecting here. Redirecting here. Now, if you here, if you observe here, let me log out here. If you go to the cart page, see here, missing cart items, log in to see the dashboard. Same, even I taken the same kind of image in our application as well. See here, guys. Now, if I go to logout, click on the cart page, see here, missing cart items, login to see to added previously. Again, if you click on a login here, login page is displaying. In this pattern, by referring our Flipkart application, couple of things just I am missing here. Okay, now something just randomly I'm searching some text. Okay, see, sorry, no results found. Now here also something, just I'm providing something here and enter. See, sorry, no results found. Then immediately I'm fetching all the products immediately here. Now let me provide a click on apply. See, some random text you given, sorry, no results found. See, same thing just I used here and just I'm demonstrating you how we can do. Even we can develop our e-commerce application. Your own websites you can design as well, guys. If you know the basic fundamentals, how to develop as well. It's not like a very big deal to do this activity here, guys. Okay. Now let me do a registration. Some registration as a user. We'll try to registration like a Manohar and Manohar B. Let me provide Manohar at the rate gmail.com. Okay, let me provide Manohar password 123456. Just I'm giving some normal password, just I given for your understanding, and mobile number. Okay, any number just you can provide it here. Okay, here basically we need to do a validation as well. If you click on a register, okay, now user registered is successful. If you try to log in, password must be at least 6 characters. We will do a validation as well. If you click a register an account, if you do a register, see, first name must be at least 3 characters, last name is required, invalid email address, okay, and username must be at least 3 characters, password must be 6 characters. Like a regular expressions we can perform in the front end as well. To perform the, this is called client side validation. Usually in the real time we will do client side validation and server side validation, both we will do normally, guys. Okay, now, if you I want to log in. Okay, now which login I will use a Manohar login, and let me provide the password here and click on login. Login successful. Now it is redirecting here. Now you can able to see available products from the database here. That means this a whole thing fetching data from backend here. Okay, here we are not going to discussing on the backend development, completely front end development here. So if you see here, these are all the products are available here. Now here also, maybe if you start type as a apple, now when you enter, you can able to see wherever apple is matching, you can able to display here, right? Same here also, you are able to see the products. Now left hand side we have a names we have, like when you start as a apple, click on a apply. See, apple phone is displaying here. Suppose you have a requirement of price you want to verify, like a 999, click on the apply. Whichever price is matching, those things you can able to see as well. This is kind of a filtering of your products here, but everything happening in our backend APIs only here. See, fetch user details, fetch user by Manohar, and if you click on the product service, now see, exception handler, some IO exception I got, some database issue we got. Now, see, whenever you are fetching the product, some internally some APIs are going back in this approach here. Okay, now next step is, see, now I want to search directly. Even I don't want to provide here, there is a search option we have, you need to specify enter here, but here I given automated. When you stop something on here, it will be search automatically, whichever it is matching this key. This key can match on the title level, description level, category level, anywhere it can match, doesn't matter here. So this is kind of a search operation we can perform here as well. Okay, now as a user, if you go to my orders page, See, you have not placed any orders yet. Okay. Now, if you go to the cart item, there is no cart items shop now. If you are a not logged in user, it will display as a login button. If you are a logged in user, it will display as a shop now. When you click on shop now, it will display your products. This whole data fetching from backend from our Java. Okay. Now this is the one we need to integrate in our front end as well. Now you want to purchase a product. If you go to suppose this one, you want to purchase. Now image is displaying, your title is displaying, how much price, some description you have. Now again, if you search in the backend, maybe let me open another one. Suppose this one. Now see, your image is displaying, your complete description, and we have an option called add to cart. If you click on add to cart, see, immediately navigating to the cart page. Same pattern here also here. Now if you see here, add to cart, when you click on this button, immediately going to the cart page, cart item, right? Same pattern here also, same thing we are doing here. Once this is what will be the total price. Now you can increase the quantity, update the quantity, decrease the quantity. Even in the back end, where is that, cart item, cart microservice. In the cart item, you can able to see here, update the cart item, okay, delete the cart item, fetch the cart details, all the things we can able to do it here. This we can handle in the front end or back end, both places. Right now our main focus, how to make API calls in the back end here. And your total price, if you see, if you keep on increasing, your price is updating here, right? Now if you want to remove, just you can remove the cart item, it will remove from database as well. Now again shop now. Now you want to add a product, maybe let me take a earphones, add to the cart. See, now earphones it is displaying here. Everything we are developing, this development, everything you are able, see, this is completely a bootstrap with react.js here, guys. Okay. Now we have a button called place a order button. In our order microservice, it needs to communicate. When you click a place an order, now see your order summary. What is your status? Status is placed. That's it, is a placed. Okay. Now we have an option called proceed to payment here. Wow, as part of see, in the top there is an icon. There is a cart icon. When you click here, your cart items here. When you click on a place an order. Okay. Now your status is placed here. Your status is placed. If you click on the my orders, as I know, we need to handle that activity. Two orders are created, same cart item. Now if you click on a view summary, see, proceed to payment here. Now what we need to do, when you click proceed to payment, redirecting to payment gateway, Razro Pay. Now see, your Manohar is the username. Now profile summary. Now this is the fee. Now this is the number we given at the time of registration in the Flipkart. I mean, inside our application registration. Now you can choose any net banking. It's kind of a test mode. Right hand side, just observe, guys. This is a test mode. It will not ask you your username and password. It is kind of a same replica they will share you. Click on continue and pay. See, this is the total price. See, loading the bank page. When you give in the production details, the real payment gateway will open. I mean, same thing. This dashboard will change like ICICI, Axis Bank. It will be changed. Now you can choose whether the payment is successful or not. Now my payment is success. Click on success. Like a confirming payment. Okay. Now your payment is successful. Manohar. Okay. Once it is immediately done, have a look here. What is your status? Status is confirmed. But here status is placed. So order number 13, if you click on a view summary, there is no payment button here. Now this is the earphones you purchased. The price is 433 here. Now again, if you go to my orders page, and again if you go to view summary, now you have a proceed to payment. Why? Because your status is placed, you are not purchased one more time here. You are adding multiple things, but you are not done payment. We are given in the order summary, view summary, your status is confirmed here. Now, as a user, just you purchased the product. That's it. In the top bar also, if you see here, we have more options like a my orders, products. That's it. Now you can able to see my orders here. From here also you can navigate. Now my profile, change the password. My profile. Now first name, email address, mobile number, role name you have. If you click on edit a profile, now first name or last name. In the backend we will be taken care for updation. Email ID, mobile number. User, you cannot change. You don't have a control to change your role, right? Only admin can do either save operation or cancel operation. Okay, maybe Manohar J something. Click on the save operation here. Okay, edit save. Now again let me visit the profile, edit profile. Yeah, your first name and last name it is printing, updating here. And if you go to change the password, yes, you can change the password, the old password and new password. Now it will be stored into our DB as well. Now these are all kind of a user operations you can perform. Now see here, if you go to the user service, now fetch user details here. Okay, logs I am not printing. I think now in the auth gateway already I am printing if I'm not wrong. See here, security. Okay, this is a filter. As part of login it is checking every URL. Okay, that's okay. Now this is from the user perspective, these operations you have. Yeah, post your question in the chat window, Sunil. Yeah, so this is about where my orders are displaying here. Now, what will be the next step is now click on logout. Now you are a user, right? Not let me log in with admin. Lot of things we can develop an e-commerce guys. Now this is what max we can do as part of this project development as well. So it's anything doing, it's kind of a enhancement. See this Flipkart, if you developing this Flipkart or Amazon, it's a never ending process. Lot of functionalities we can develop as everything we cannot keep it. The main theme is how this integration is happening, how you can design your own website by following this approach here. Lot of animations you can do, and your page make it more responsive. Lot of things we can do as well guys. Okay, now if you see here, now I am logging with the admin. Okay, I'm logging with the admin. This is my username already available. When you click on a login here, login is successful and redirect. See, you are able to see number of tabs here. My shipping, users, add a product, you're able to. But whereas if you logged in with the user, I don't have those tabs here. That means you are a admin role. So that's why you are able to see these many number of tabs here. If you click on the users, okay, now see how many users are registered in the database. Recently, Manohar is created. I think our last name is not updated in the backend. We need to have a look. Backend API is not giving the proper response as well. Okay, that's fine. Now see user role, admin role, user role. Okay, admin. Okay, Gopi, one guy is admin role. Like that. See, we have an edit option also. We have here we can able to see, we can see user role or admin role. We can update the roles as well. Here also you can make a update operation, delete operation. Mostly delete means it is not a permanent deletion. They will add another column like a status inactive. Only status they will be make it active or in. There is no permanent deletion in the real time guys. There is no hard deletion at all for the user activation or product activation or inactivation here. Okay, now this is about a user functionalities. Here you can able to see, you can able to search it. Okay, I think the filter is not working right now. That's okay. I think filter yet to be work on this part. So that is one kind of functionality yet to be developed as well. Okay, this is about the user management here. Now if you go to shipping, okay, now whichever orders 8th and 13th, these orders 433 999, two orders I have available here, 433. But here also we should display username as well. That is one. If we done in the backend, in the front end we can integrate as well, right? Backend should give a response back. Now I logged in with admin user, but who placed this order? I need that user information. When I will get to know, when you fetch shipping details, if you integrate a user information, you can see user customer name, which you customer email ID, all the things we can display as well. Now, like as a vendor only, he can do ship the order, whoever is doing. Now, suppose some admin team done for this order is ship the order. Now, order 13 shipped successfully. Okay. Now, minimize it here and refresh. See, your order status is shipped here. Automatically it will change. Why? Because those is one backend API, everything. Now, now delivery boy, one the product is delivered to you as a customer. He has some application. So we will give a permission to delivery boy what he can do. Max, he can deliver the product or he can return the product. Something, some couple of options we will give. So he deliver the product to the customer. Now when you say mark as delivered, now 13th as delivered. If it is delivered means go there, refresh. Now immediately if you go to your my orders page, your status will be delivered here. This is one kind of an API. Now, whatever developing APIs in the backend, those how to integrate in the front end. That is the main target with CSS, I mean with Bootstrap, how you can this kind of page as well. This is the what admin can do functionalities. Now, still what kind of functionalities admin can do? Now, add a product. Now, suppose, see here. Suppose this is the iPhone 16 we have. If you see here, I logged in with the admin. See, edit product is displaying. But if you see here, uh, let me open. See, only add. There is no edit button here. Why? Because edit who can do? Only the admin can do. No one can do the edit operation here. See, now click on a edit a product here. Now here you can update your product information, whatever you want, like price, how many quantities, description. Update the product here. Okay. Product updated successfully here. Once product is updated, now you can able to see it here, iPhone 13, right? Where is that? Yes, see, 33,000 is updated. Now you want to add a new product. Now click on add a product. See, a product image is available also to upload. Now we'll choose some kind of some information from the Flipkart. We'll try to add couple of things. Suppose what we can do. Okay, monitor. Some this product is already available. We'll try to add some cycle. Okay. Yeah. Now let me choose this one. Okay. Now this is our title. This is our title here. Product title. Copy. Keep it to here. Description. Okay. Now this is the description. Let me copy. And a price. What is the 7550? 7550. Quantity. Maybe I have only 10 quantities I have. Product image is required. From Google, we will pull the image. Click on the images button. Okay. Okay. Right click, save images. Go to desktop and save the image. What we can do, go to the image and where is that image? Yeah, this is the image and open and click on add to product. Product added successfully here. Okay. Okay. When you click on here, displaying. Basically, when product is added, we should navigate to the product page that we can do that as well. If you go to your products page again, here you can able to see as well. See your image, whatever image you have, the image name title, and you can add a product, whatever you want. That admin can perform these activities as well as part of in this here, guys. So in this way, the project we are going to develop with the e-commerce application plus microservices integration, Razro payment gateway, backend we are using database as a MySQL here. These are the modules you are going to discuss as part of this training here, guys. It will take 30 to 35 days of time, completely live sessions. And as part of the JavaScript, we are going to discuss ES6 features, basically introduction, some variables. We have a arrow functions, template retrieval, destructuring, spread operator. These are all kind of a, everyone knew, completely JavaScript. Okay, and even I'm going to discuss whichever is important as part of the React.js as well. Then Bootstrap here, how you can develop responsive web page design, and by using the Bootstrap rows, columns, navigation bar, like a lot of form validation, tables, text formatting, cards, whatever we done in our e-commerce application, everything mapped to Bootstrap only here with React.js here. And then here module 3 about the React.js as well. Here it will be easy to see where is that page. Maybe somewhere I should have, yeah. Now, here, introduction to the React.js, how you can create application in your local system, and the project structure, what kind of React components we have, how you can display the components in the browser. Okay, and we have kind of a React hooks, lot of hooks we have, how these hooks are useful. Okay, and how you can rendering these information in the browser. Okay, and how you can create multiple components. Your application can divide into multiple inside a Java. You are creating multiple microservices, right? Here we are dividing your application into multiple components here. Okay, and we have a routing, like when you click on this one, they should be appear. This is kind of a routing. Okay, home page, header, navbar. Okay, main component, header component, user registration. Okay, you are receiving input from the user, form validation. Okay, to make our API calls, we are using a Axios library. Okay, how to handle API responses, login and sign up, JWT. Whenever you are a logged in user, now if you click on inspect, if you click on the application, here you can able to see your JWT token as well. Now just here. Now your token will be useful as part of your API request also. Now let me show you here. See here, like a first name, last name, subject, phone number, role user. Like the front end, they will useful for this information as well, to share information between the client and server. How you can handle this flow. Okay, JWT auth workflow, login, logout. Okay, now if you log out here, if you see, everything will be clear. No data is available here. Your user information. If you not, we will give some expiry time, token expiry, and everything also. We can do that activity as well. And we have a some React hooks. We have like a use effect, use params location, and how you can pass one component information to another component. Okay, like in this way, product related cart functionality. Okay, updating, displaying, order summary, payment gateway, placing an orders. As a admin, you can do adding a new product, updating, like that. Lot of things we are going to discuss as part of the React JS as well, guys. Now overall, one major project we are going to develop, that is e-commerce project here. This is the what we are going to discuss as part of the live sessions here daily at the same time, 8 o'clock here. So that is all about our course, guys. Okay, if you see the overall architecture, I mean, what user functionalities can do, what admin functionalities can perform. If you see in the backend architecture already, you will be aware, this is our backend architecture. Out of here, in the front end, they are making user, product, cart, order, payment, shipping. These are the things we done as of now. If you run properly all services in the backend, like a audit, Apache, Kafka, Kubernetes, everything you can do in the back. Whoever knows in the backend, they are able to run application from their end as well. For a UI developer, you no need to worry about just how to run the application. If you know, that is sufficient. Why? Because UI developer mainly focus on your API is working or not, your API is giving response or not. That's it. If any issues happen, now backend developer is responsible to verify what is the issue. If you are a full stack developer, means front end and backend you need to take in care. That how in the real time it will be work in this approach here, guys. Okay, this is about the overall our the course introduction session, guys. This is about a session 1 complete information as well, guys. Now you have a questions now? Yeah, let me know.
Hello.
Yes, yes, Sunil.
Yeah. OTP integration and order tracking information integration is there or not?
Right now are you seen in my Fiplag? No,
I have seen, but
no,
not seen. That's the
as,
reason.
as of now, no. Whatever just
Okay.
I demonstrated, same I'm going to teach you here.
Okay.
Yeah. Whatever you
Okay.
shown here, this whole thing we are developing the live sessions. Add on lot of new topics came in my mind later on time. I will add it here. But as of now, as part of course content, what I'm showing you, same I will be deliver on time. This complete course.
Okay. And I am actually, or I already done your Java batch also, right? Spring Boot
Mm,
microservices. Yeah.
mm.
So I need to know the fees also, right?
Yeah, our admin team will help you for that today.
Okay. Okay.
You will
Okay.
get all the steps, everything. Our admin team will help you. Yeah.
Okay.
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 Here we are not teaching only the React, guys. We are teaching JavaScript and Bootstrap as well. Lot of institutes they will never teach Bootstrap. Definitely, damn sure. They will teach only normal CSS. They will teach you guys. This is completely end to end with development. In this way, no one will explain you in any institute. You can have a look, guys. If you have any doubt on that project, already you guys know very well about my way
No,
of teaching.
actually, I am asking because I know Bootstrap and this
Yeah, I know.
Razor Pay integration
See,
and microservice integration
uh,
and SQL connectivity
See,
also.
out of 100 students, 10 students already may know everything.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
again, they want to attend one more time. Few people, 90%, they don't know anything, right? We need to
right.
think about everyone perspective. That way we
Perfect.
will
Perfect.
teach.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Others, any questions? Bhagwan, Lipna, Manohar.
No questions, Bhaskar.
Okay, sure. Okay. Tomorrow use same meeting link for tomorrow and day after tomorrow also. And we are going to start tomorrow about the React JS introduction, why React is important by comparison with other things, and how we can start about React development and everything. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to start, guys. Okay. So that's all for today's session. For the fees enrollment and everything, guys, please reach out to this number. Hope who are all watching the session, so our team will help you for the enrollment process. Okay, chalo then, thank you guys, we'll catch up tomorrow then. Bye bye.